Hello everybody and welcome back. And today we are continuing the Stanley Cup playoffs for NHL 19. Last time we were here, the Vegas Golden Knights defeated the Los Angeles Kings in Game 2 and took a 2-0 series lead. Well, now we are headed towards another matchup between the Nashville Predators and the Colorado Avalanche. This is Game 2 between these two teams. So far, Nashville has a 1-0 series lead. And now we're going to see if Nashville can take a 2-0 series lead, or if the Avalanche can even the series at one game apiece. Game 2 is still in Nashville. So let's see if I can get Nashville to win this game. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright. Oh, I got knocked down. Alright. I'm up. Okay, I'm gonna try to get. And he's gloving it for the whistle. Okay, whoa. That one kind of went like a little bit up. Oh man. Yeah, I probably could have done better there. I saw one Avalanche fan in the stands. Well, I mean, there's also going to be away fans, so I don't mind. Shoot. Oh my god, my shot was blocked. Can I go on the backhand? Oh. Alright, he's still able to keep it out. But we haven't allowed anything yet either. But it's still only the first period. So, we gotta... Ah! That was just like wide to the net. Oh my god, I got iron with that thing. Oops. Alright, I was able to save that, that's good. Ah, I'm offside. Oh god, oh god. Alright, save. And I'm not gonna glove it, I'm gonna decide to pass it. So I can try to get this goal. Shoot. And he's gloving it again. Face off. Oh, I lost it. Oh. I'm out of one, but I just like... I probably just like shot the puck the wrong way. And it went to an Avalanche player. Alright, come on. I need to make this a goal. Ah. Still no. Still no goal there. And... there we go. Okay, good, I have it. Oh no, I don't, no, I don't. Okay, now I do. Okay. I had to wait because I didn't want to be offside. Because if we were offside, we would have had to do a face-off. Right, here comes Colorado. Okay, good. Okay, good, 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 good. Oh god. Okay. Alright, good. No. Ah. They took it. Alright, I'm gonna glove this one. Alright, so we gotta do face off over here. Lo lost. Lost the face-off. They actually won that one this time. Alright, last minute of the first. I'm gonna try to get a goal before time runs out. It might be hard, but I'm gonna... Oh, there we go. And it's 1-0 Nashville with 9.1 left. Yeah, you know what? Let's see what happened. Oh, it went off the goaltender and in. Yeah, I wanted to see what happened because they said what happened, so I was like, oh, let's see what happened. I mean, all right, 9 seconds left to go in the first. I was able to give Nashville the 1-0 lead, so that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Can I get another one? Oh no. Yeah. And that's it. Alright guys, first period is over. Nashville is up 1-0. Let's see what our coach is saying to us right now. Offense C, defense C plus, team play B minus. Alright, well, first period just came to an end. Nashville has the 1-0 lead. And let's jump into the second. Let's go. I was able to get a goal before the period expired with 9.1 left to go in the first. Alright, now let's see what happens as we approach the second. See what we can add to the lead. Shoot. Oh, come on. I don't want to fight right now. It's not like I was scared, I just didn't want to. Shoot. Okay, here he comes. Okay, save. Alright. And it looks like that the 4-on-4 is over. So it's a 5-on-5 again. Because 2 players went to the box for bad discipline. And I believe it's a 5-on-5 again. Yep, it's a 5-on-5. No. Okay, good, I still cut that out. Shoot. Oh my goodness. I mean, I know I got one past him, but he's still doing pretty good. Shoot. Oh man. You must know a bunch of good saves. One. How did I miss that? I don't even know how I missed that. Shoot. And Alright. Okay. I'm literally like trying to add to our lead. But he's literally just like keeping this out. In game 1, the Predators scored. I think they scored 5 goals. I think when it was game 1, I think Predators. I know Predators won, but I'm trying to remember the score. I think it was like 5-1 or something. I think it was 5-1. Predators scored 5 goals. The Avalanche only scored 1. And now here in game 2, Nashville is up 1-0. Oh, that was a good save. Kind of raw. And I'm glowing it for the whistle. With 5 minutes and 9 seconds left to go in the second. McKinnon. Is that the captain for the Avalanche? Oh, I'm offside. I think Nathan McKinnon's the captain for the Avalanche. Have I even asked that question already? If Nathan McKinnon was the captain for the Avalanche? Oh my goodness, that was robbery there. That was robbery there. I totally got robbed there. That one should have went in. Alright, face off win, face off. Wait, no, face off loss. It's a face off win for the Avalanche. Alright, save. Alright, I got it. Okay. And second period is over. Alright guys, so second period is over. Nashville is still up 1-0. And let's see what the coach is saying to us right now. Offense C, defense B minus, teamplay B plus, overall C plus. Alright, well, second period is over. Nashville still has the 1-0 lead. And let's jump into the third. So Colorado hasn't scored in the first two periods. Nashville scored one in the first period, and then it still remains like this. It still remained like it all of the second period, and now we are heading into the third. See if I can add to this lead. But let's try to make Colorado not tie it up. Uh-oh. Okay, good. Alright, here I come. Ugh. And he's still gonna keep it out. Shoot. And it's in. And it's a 2-0 Nashville lead now. The cup is the prey. That's what the guy's sign said. Alright, so now it's a 2-0 Nashville lead as we just scored. See if we can make it 3. Okay, I can make it 3 here. And he's gonna glove it. Alright. So we got a 2-0 lead in this game. It's pretty cool, actually. Try to get it, but I couldn't get it. Try to get it, but I couldn't get it. Okay, I got it. Come on, I can make it 3. I can make it 3. I didn't make it 3. Oh, come on. Give it to me. Thank you. Shoot. Here comes Colorado. They're trying to get within 1. There, they didn't. Haha. That was a great block there. You have to admit that was a pretty good block. But I blocked that one shot. You have to admit that was pretty cool. And now they're back to within 1. And now it's a 2-1 Nashville lead. Because Colorado just scored. Imagine if Nashville got another 5-1 win. Well, I still got to get 3 goals. here comes the Predators. Offside again. Face off. Win. Alright. Shoot. And he's gloving it again. Alright, here comes Colorado trying to tie it. And you know what? I'm not going to glove it. I'm going to keep playing it. Shoot. Alright, 2 minutes and 18 seconds left to go in the third. Nashville has the 2-1 lead. Colorado's trying to find a way to tie it up. And I'm just trying to find a way to add to this lead. Dang it. Alright. Alright, 53.2 left to go in the third. Nashville's up by 1 goal. One player was offside, so we're doing a face-off over here. Alright, here we go. Alright, victory. Make it 3-1 here. Alright. Here comes Colorado. Pulling their goaltender. I'm gonna glove this one. Alright, so Colorado just pulled their goaltender. As they're down by 1. So there are 6 skaters on the ice, only 5 skaters on for the Predators. Alright. And I just put one in the empty net. And it's 3-1 Nashville. Yeah, when the goaltender gets pulled, there can be 6 skaters on the ice instead of 5. Alright, well, seems like they put their goalie back in, so 5 skaters on 5 again. But when the goalie was pulled, it was 6 skaters on 5. Oh, they're pulling their goaltender again. See if I can get another one. And I just got another one. Oh, that guy got a hat trick. I was able to get that guy a hat trick. Alright. So it's a 4-1 Nashville lead now. I should just put 2 in the empty net. Alright, 12.2 left to go in the third. Alright, pretty much won this game. Because we're up by 3. I could get one more, you know. Well, I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, it could, but... Shoot. And, yep. And that's it. And the Nashville Predators take game number 2 in a 2-0 series lead with a 4-1 win over the Colorado Avalanche. And they'll be heading to Colorado for game 3 the next time we play with this team. Alright. So Nashville just won this game 4-1. See what our coach has to say about that. Offense B, defense B minus, team play A, overall B plus. Alright, well I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment in the comment section what you thought of this video. Comment in the comment section if you want to shout out. And remember, by the time that I reach 100 subscribers, that's when I'm gonna start. That's when I'm gonna try to do live streams on my computer. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.